Hanap mo ba ay masarap na iba't ibang klase ng dim sum? Like dumplings, steamed buns, and a lot more? Sagot ko na yan. Ini adalah Herd Evangelista dan ini Malaysia saya. Nadadaanan ko ito lagi from Taman Mutiara at kapansin-pansin itong Awa Cafe. Every weekend, pinipilaan talaga siya.
Ay, dinaanan ka niya.
Sabi ko sa friend ko na kalat ka rin, let's give it a try. So first thing first, kumuha kami ng number namin and waited for about 10 to 15 minutes or less than that for our table kasi nga punuan talaga. Sakop nila yung dalawang palapag, 3rd and 4th floor. The interior is like an old Chinese movie setting. Yung pakiramdam ko, parang anytime magbabakbakan dito Cynthia Luster, Jackie Chan, tsaka si Lucy Liu. Tapos magtatakbuhan na kami palabas, hindi na kami magbabayad ng bills. Ganon! Expect the unexpected because after you order, umabot lang naman kami ng halos 30 minutes or more kasi you have to understand traditional handmade yung mga dim sum nila. So gawa talaga siya from the scratch. Sa 3rd floor, you can also see how they make and serve all the dim sum. Lahat ng in-order namin taste super tasty with diverse collection of savory, sweet, steamy, and fried flavor. Nandun na siya all in one. Lasang-lasa din yung kanyang umami, so I don't even need a condiments or sauce or soy sauce. The buns is very soft and fluffy in all fairness. Masarap din yung kanyang stuffing. I have to be honest, we were so disappointed with the coffee kasi sobrang tapang talaga. Mahilig ako sa black coffee but this one is a different level lang katapangan. Or perhaps hindi lang ako sanay na ganun katapang yung kape nila. So we requested a sugar syrup sa isang staff nila. Ang sabi niya, wala daw silang sugar syrup. Feeling ko may language barrier. So ngayon, sinubukan namin sa isang staff and right away, may dala siyang asukal. But I love it here. Overall experience so far is 8.5 over 10 and I suggest come on a weekday dahil hindi masyadong maraming tao. Once again, this is Herd Evangelista and this is my Malaysia. Good night everyone!